Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be solving the if part of the Starkling challenge. So the first task says complete this function to return a bigger number. So we have a function bigger which takes into variables a and b of use size, that's 32-bit size, right, and returns. So it says do not use another function call and do not use additional variables. Don't mind this for now. So we are not meant to mind it test, right? Okay. So what this challenge basically wants us to do is to use the conditional if expression. Say if this. So if, for example, if A is greater than B, return A, else return B. Since it's the bigger number that we want to return, if it was a smaller number, we would have just said if A is less than B, return B, else return A, else return B. That's if it's a small number. But right now, we are concerned with the function returning a bigger number. So what we want to do is to just add the additional statement, the if statement. I usually like it to be like this. Okay, if A is greater than B, return A. So we can use the return keyword. It still works fine. Else return B. Else return B. So let's test that if yeah it compiles just great. So we can still use remove the keyword, but you removing the keyword, you have to also remove the semicolon. So let's test it again, and it works perfectly. So let's move to the next question. Okay, so the second task is says make this compile. We have to make this compile, and we have to get the bar for um verse and the default to bash test passing. So let's check out this function. We have the full if is function that takes in um physics. So this is supposed to be a short string. Yeah, short strings. We represent short strings using field 252, right? So and then it returns the it's supposed to return a string as well. So it says complete this function using if, else if, or else block. So what this challenge wants us to do is to use the multiple conditions with else if. So it's something like if, okay, yeah, if uh physics is this, if physics uh is is equals to fees, right, return full. Else if physics equals to fools, return bar. Else else anything else returns bars. Okay, so this works like this. We already have physics equals to fees here, return is returning full. So what we need to add right here is to add um an else if statement. So let's just do like this. Else if physics equals to fools, right? Yeah. Return bar. Else return bars. Yeah. This is what the function wants us to do. So let's compile and see. Yeah, it's compiled just great. So this has bring us to the end of the if challenge in the Starklings challenge, the if solution in the Starkling challenge. In the next video, we're going to continue with functions. Thank you for watching.